Good day everyone. Good day Ma'am Jocelyn Lipata. My name is Judy Ann Ongok.
My name is Lance Christian C. Mendez.
I am Regina Jessa Espinola Buena.
I'm Nika Jane L. Abunita.
I'm Rachel Ibalang.
And we are the Group 4. Today, we are here to present to you the electricity bill system.
Today, in challenging world, every month, millions of Filipinos pay the electricity bills without knowing if it's accurate to their power consumption. Electricity bills are the most important tool between consumer and power suppliers. It should provide customers basic information, energy usage, and the unit cost to help them understand the electricity use. Consume units or electricity consumption is represent the amount of electrical energy that has been consumed over a specific time. It is measured in kilowatt per hour, and charges or amount are calculated with units per kilowatt per hour, which changes based on what type of entity is consuming the power. Surcharge is an extra fee that is added to the cost of service beyond the initially quoted price. And now that the world is updated, every system is developed and launched by the use of computer software and programming. Electricity bill system is specially designed to calculate the bill of the total electricity consumed. It mainly focuses on the calculation of unit consumed during the specific time and the charges to be paid in electricity offices. So, by the use of electricity bill system, it will make it easier, accessible, comfortable, and effective for the consumers.
The objectives. These projects aims to number 1 to determine the electricity bill of one's household through the use of pseudocodes, flowcharts, and programming. Number 2 to determine what other charges are present in the overall power bill, e.g. surcharge, price, and etc. And last, to show a simple electricity bill receipt using programming.
Scope and limitations. This project scoped the electric bill data, like the price per kilowatt per hour, surcharge with interest, the total electricity bill amount when consumers pay on or before the due date, and penalty amount when consumers didn't pay within the given due. This simple electricity bill was based from the electricity bill receipt or statement of account that Camarines Sur 3 Electric Cooperative Incorporation or Casoreco 3 was giving to every consumer. This study delimits its coverage to households accessing the services of the said utility cooperative. This is because the households accessing the same utility cooperative have the same rates of electricity pricing, yet still differs in their monthly electricity consumption. This study aims to determine the accurate conversion of one's household's monthly electricity consumption in accordance with the rates of electricity pricing given by the said utility cooperative, but through the use of pseudocodes, flowcharts, and programming. As I've said earlier, the study is limited only to those who are accessing the Casoreco 3 services. Yet, the program can be calibrated according to the rates of electricity pricing of other electric cooperative for further usage.
This is our pseudocode. And this is our flowchart. As you can see, we cut into page the flowchart for you to easy to understand and to read the every step of flowchart. But we use an off-page connector so that even they are in different page, they are still connected. And we use an on-page connector so that the line, even they are in different line, they still joined, like what happened to this page.
I will discuss the program code on how to calculate electricity bill using if-else in C language. So first, we have hashtag include stdio.h and hashtag include conio.h. It stands for console input output. It takes input from keyboard and display it on screen. Next, int main, open and close parentheses, and open brackets. Next, car name size 20 and address array size 80. Float amount, surcharge, and total amount. Before and after. Int units, since units ang nakalagay, we will use int or integer data type. Next, printf, we have here 60 asterisk \n, simple electricity bill, \n and 60 asterisk, then \n. Flash, stdin is used to flash the output buffer of the stream. It returns 0 if successful, otherwise returns EOF or end of the file, and FEOF error indicator is set. Next, printf \n, consumer's name, scanf, %c, and name. %c used to print a character. Since mag-state tayo ng pangalan dito mamaya. Then flash, stdi, and when this statement is correct or true, it will be executed. Next, printf \n, address, scanf, %c, and address. Flash, stdin. Printf \n, enter the units that you consume as input from the user and store the entered value in a variable unit. Scanf, %d, and unit. If units is greater than 500, then the amount is equal to units times 9.65. 9.65 is the price of the unit. Surcharge is equal to 85. 85 is the surcharge or interest. Otherwise fails, the compiler will move to the next. Else, if units is greater than or equal to 300, then the amount is equal to units times 7.75 and the surcharge is equal to 75. Else, if units is greater than or equal to 200, then the amount is equal to units times 5.26 and the surcharge is equal to 55. Else, if units is greater than or equal to 100, then the amount is equal to units times 3.76 and the surcharge is equal to 35. Otherwise fails, the compiler will move to the next. Next, amount is equal to units times 2.25 and the surcharge is equal to 25. Total amount is equal to amount plus surcharge. Printf \n, electricity bill, %.2f and total amount. Before is equal to total amount minus 3. Yung minus 3, ito po yung bawas pag nakabayad before the given date. Next, printf amount on slash before 12/28/21. %.2f\n and before. After is equal to before. Dito po sa before, mailalagay dyan is yung amount before the given date. Wala pa yung minus 3 pag sa amount of after na. Then, plus 24. Plus 24 pag hindi makabayad sa exact date, in short, penalty. Then, printf amount after 12/28/21 %.2f, we have 4\n, then after, then \n, and \n. Printf disconnection 01/05/20/n, return 0, then close brackets.
And now we're in the output of the code. So after the code, lalabas na dito ito. So simple electricity bill, ito yung header na ginawa nating code. And consumer's name, ilalagay natin yung name ng consumers. Halimbawa, we have Cardo Dalisay. So address, example, si Cardo ay taga Tres Reyes, Batu, Camarines Sur. Enter the unit that you consume. So, ilang units daw yung na-consume niya in 1 month. So, halimbawa, na-consume ng family niya or sa bahay nila is 98 units. So, lalabas na dito yung mga period covered, electricity bill, and so on. So, period covered, ibig sabihin, in November 22, 2021 to December 22, 2021, Cardo Dalisay consumed 98 units. So, it equivalent to, yung electricity bill niya is 245.50. Pero kapag nakabayad naman siya on or before to December 28, 2021, ang babayaran niya is 242.50. And kapag nakabayad naman siya after nung due date, which is the December 28, 2021, ang babayaran niya is 266.50. And nakalakay din dito yung interest charges is compound monthly. And syempre yung disconnection if in case na hindi nakabayad si Mr. Cardo Dalisay, na ang mangyayari is sa January 5, 2021.
To everyone, thank you for listening and goodbye. Stay safe and have a Merry Christmas and a bountiful New Year to all. Thanks again.